Bonjour and welcome to this new video. Today I'd like to help you guys work on the R sound in French. I know many of you struggle with it, and again, as I always say, we mostly understand when you pronounce the French R with an American or British accent. It's not too much of a problem, as long as you don't butcher the rest of the word. But that being said, I know that many of you would like to try to have the nicer French R, so we're going to try to work on it. I think it might come with practice. Again, as usual, try to reproduce the sound. Remember that French R mostly comes from the back of the throat right there. Not all R's are equal. Remember the last R of a word usually is lighter. The first R is also lighter. The last R of a word sometimes will be completely skipped, as in quatre. The French would speak fast, they will say quatre. Now, the R's in the middle of a word, you really cannot escape them. So let's try to go over several words and try to work on that R. Repeat after me. I'll leave you a little blank to make sure you have time to repeat once at least. You can always pause the video and repeat it several times. But let's get started. Un rot. Un rot. And the verb to bear, by the way, is rôter. Rôter. Un rang. Un rang. Le premier rang. Le premier rang. Ranger. Ranger. Prendre. Prendre. Surprendre. Surprendre. Apprendre. Apprendre. Rendre. Rendre. Prier. Prier. Une prière. Une prière. Emprunter. Emprunter. Une proie. Une proie. La prise. La prise. Prêter. Prêter. Le parking. Le parking. Une carte. Une carte. Presque. Presque. Une guitare. Une guitare. Un livre. Un livre. Un quart. Un quart. Tard. Tard. Une part. Une part. Un mur. Un mur. Sur. Sur. Dur. Dur. All right, try to repeat the sound after me. Ready? See, my teeth are slightly apart, my mouth is slightly open. And see, it really comes from the top of the throat, right there. Try again. It's going to come with practice, really. Try again and again and again. I know it might sound like but try again with it. Okay? Alright, that's it for today. Well, I'll come back with more French sounds very soon. Salut!